Dear beginners, why is the Bitcoin value is decreases and the Bitcoin is why going into the earth? On the way the Bitcoin is going to the earth. Why? Actually, is the Elon Musk is tweeted about the BTC. The BTC is not a natural friendly and global friendly because the Bitcoin mining process is too much of expensive because the low electricity bill the country is the best for the Bitcoin mining and the air conditioning and the land temperature and the atmosphere temperature is a low temperature area is the good for the Bitcoin mining. The every situation the Bitcoin mining is the large quantity of expensive. That is, the Bitcoin mining is so expensive, and the lots of e-waste is produced. The Bitcoin mining, the hydro plant and the nuclear hydro plants and the public electricity. Everything is eating the Bitcoin mining. The Bitcoin mining is eating the lots of electricity, and the electricity bill is expensive more than the Bitcoin because the more than the electricity is wasted the Bitcoin mining process. That is the only reason for the ignoring is the Tesla company. The Tesla company is ignoring the BTC farming and BTC mining. That is only the reason is that BTC is going to the earth, is on the way to going to the earth. BTC is a king, the king of the cryptocurrency. The king is down, the every cryptocurrency is going to the down. Then every cryptocurrency is going to the earth. The time to the going to the earth. Actually, this is as a guess. The every cryptocurrency the value is the cryptocurrency value is depending on the demand and supply. The demand and supply, the decreases the demand of supply of the BTC. The every coins is decrease the supply and demand of BTC. Every coins and the tokens, etc., etc. Dear, dear subscribers and dear newcomers, please subscribe my channel and follow my link. And today, this is my crypto type browser. Today I got the 64 BTC, and I the daily the 1 week I will withdraw the only for reference is that is so sad. Then every times I 1031 BTC you can withdraw. You can go to 1031 BTC. You can withdraw your crypto type and browser to the your Coinbase account. The dear beginners, use my referral link and join my Telegram. And the application is available on my Telegram channel. Then install that Telegram channel and and going to the referral link again and open the dashboard and register your email ID and start mining. Every referral activity lakhs of US dollar you can mine. Yes, because this is the Bitcoin mining farm located in China. Chinese the electricity bill is low and lots of hydroelectrical plants and etc. The Chinese lots of electricity, the electrical items rate also is too low. That is Chinese located crypto tab Bitcoin mining farm is too so small expensive. You can withdraw lots of Bitcoin satoshis there. Dear beginners, buy ANKR coins, etc., on your Coinbase. This is a good for your crypto mining for this situation. Actually, the ANKR value and lots of tokens value is decreases this market down in town. Then buy it and use it. Thank you for everything and subscribe my channel.